I want to reveal 3 components that you probably aren't aware of that is affecting your business right now. And if you want to move forward in 2020, you're going to want to make sure that you have all 3 of these, because gone are the days of actually promoting ClickBank products and JVZoo products and WarriorPlus products, just spamming to email lists, hoping that you're going to make money, because people can see right through that now, and it's just not valuable, and you're going to be wasting a lot of money and a lot of time. So the first component is actually having a product in an everlasting niche. So something that people are already looking to buy, something that people are going to pay for over and over and over again, because it's something they actually need to give them value, whether it be a software product or a membership site or something like that. If you don't have that in place as the first fundamental, then you're going to be struggling, because people are going to see right through your offer. They're going to be like, okay, this guy's just trying to get me to spend money, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave, because there's no value proposition there. And then the second component is actually having a system in place that'll actually sell it for you while you're not around. So a system like this, a video like this, that'll actually sell the product for you. If you don't have that in place, then you're going to be stuck on Facebook trying to prospect and trying to talk to everybody and spamming Facebook groups with your affiliate links, hoping that people will buy this next best software, like a 3-click program that's going to make them money through ClickBank or whatever. Those kind of things don't work anymore. And in 2020, they can identify that from a mile away. As soon as they see it, they want to leave. And then the third component is actually having the people that are looking to actually buy the product, right? So if you have a product in an everlasting niche, say a software product, and people are already looking to buy it, that's the third component, and they're really looking to buy it. Like, let's say someone does a review on a 2018 Dodge Challenger Hellcat, right? That's a potential buyer. But what if they say, I want to purchase a 2018 Dodge Challenger Hellcat? That's the third component. If you have that in place with the other two, you're going to succeed. And that's the difference from someone getting 1 to 3 sales a month, promoting generic offers to the mass market, to 30, 60, even 100 sales plus in a month, because they identified the exact niche, the exact need, and then they got the exact people who are going to buy the product. So those are the 3 components to actual profitable business. If you don't have those, moving forward in 2020, then you're just going to be struggling, and it's not going to be worth your time. If you want to put your effort into something, you need to put your effort into something that's going to work for you for a very long time. Okay, you don't want to put your effort into things like copying people's videos and uploading them to YouTube, hoping that you can get them ranked, and but they're duplicate content. But someone told you about this system that if you just copied them and put them on YouTube and just change the title tags and change the headings, that you're going to make money. No, you have to do your own stuff. Okay, if you're going to be moving forward and be profitable, you got to do your own thing. So the 3 components, and why I'm actually telling you about these 3 components, is because I found the perfect product that I've been using for the past year. And in fact, a year ago, before I started using this everlasting product, this everlasting niche that I'm in, I was struggling to actually just get people to join my program or just buy stuff on Facebook. So I would post on my timeline about some cool result I got, and then I would comment more info below, and then I'll give you that information. So I'd do that, and then I would try to sell these affiliate courses, and I would get a few sales. But what happened is, it was me sitting on a couch for 12, 15 hours a day, responding to comments, messaging people, and then half the time, I'd say more than half the time, they wouldn't even read my message, or they would just totally forgot they even commented more info on the post in the first place. So that method still works if you have an everlasting product that someone already needs. But if it's just a make money deal, generic kind of deal, then it's not going to work as well as you might think. So moving forward in 2020, you're going to want to make sure that you focus on the 3 components, which are having a product people already want to buy, okay, and an everlasting niche that's evergreen, that people are going to actually continue to pay for. And then you want to have a system in place to sell it. And then you want to have the buyer traffic, the people that are actually going to buy that product and pay for it over and over and over again. And then if you get down into the details, my average customer value is over 7 months long. So every person I bring into a software product stay for almost a year, half a year, over half a year. And then many of these people will stay with me for years because they're successful marketers and they're using these products over and over and over again. So really, I'm getting paid for work I did a year ago and it continues to pay me over and over and over again. If that's the kind of thing that you're interested in, if that's the kind of thing that you want, then I have the perfect program for you. And it's not a program. This isn't like a pay to earn kind of deal. This is a software company that will teach you how to do marketing online. They'll teach you how to run Facebook ads. They'll teach you how to run sales funnels and all those things that are important. And the best part of all is they'll teach you how to do it for $1, right? And they'll give you 30 days to prove to yourself that you can do it. Plug into the system, use their funnels, use the traffic that they recommend, and then start selling and start earning those residual commissions over and over and over again. And on top of that, they got it in place to where there's a 2-tier compensation plan. So let's say you bring in 5 people, you get 30% residual commissions on those 5 people. They're using the software tools, they're using the squeeze pages, they're using the auto webinar that they have, they're using the email marketing platform that they have. And let's say they bring a few people in. Well, you're gonna get 30% from the company's cut for those 3 people they brought in. So you get the 30% residual from them, and then you get the 30% residual from their clients. And that's on a 2-tier process, right? And then the company only keeps 40% of the profits, and then you keep 30, and then your first initial client keeps 30, right? That's the kind of model you need to have moving forward, because what happens is with a model like that, you can scale with paid ads. You can start to go into different avenues to get leads, and then you can start to convert those leads in a more effective manner because they're already looking to buy the product. All they really got to see is that there's a real person behind the product. If they just see it's an affiliate link, if they just see it's like on a Facebook post or whatever, and they don't really know the person, they're not really going to buy. And in fact, what's going to happen is if they don't really know the person, they're going to click, they're going to look, and then they're going to go research it on YouTube, and they might buy it from someone else, right? But if you have a system in place that'll close those sales for you and then build that relationship for you, and you've probably heard this before, right? I'm sure you have. You've heard this before with other programs. But the thing is with other companies, they're pitching the whole make money angle with this. And the problem with that is people get in expecting to make a ton of money, and then they don't make a ton of money. Maybe they make like a first sale or a commission, and then they just kind of move on. But with a software product, like what I'm offering and what we have here, these people are going to keep using this product over and over and over again because they need it for their business. No matter what program they get into, let's say they get into e-commerce, let's say they get into like drop shipping stuff, let's say they get into Amazon FBA, maybe they want to start building a list and promoting digital products, video courses, audio courses, ebooks, things like that. They're still going to use this platform to promote all of those different things. So if you're promoting something like that moving forward, then you really have nothing to worry about. So my offer to you today is that you work with Mark Hayden and I on this, and you test this out for 30 days for $1, just $1 for 30 days. Okay. You use our systems, you use the training that the company supplies for you, you use the training that I'm going to give you. And in fact, the training I'm going to be able to give you is going to show you how to get a video, and you don't have to be on camera. You can use our videos, you can use any video you find. You can literally upload it to YouTube, put it as unlisted, and then you can start promoting it using YouTube ads, which, by the way, very cheap right now. You can literally get impressions or actual views on that video for under 4 cents. So the cool thing about YouTube is you don't really pay until like after 30 seconds. So if someone watches your ad all the way up to 29 seconds and then they click skip ad, you don't pay for that. So you get brand awareness, and you get people looking at your stuff and seeing you, and oh, there's that guy again, and you get that. And what's cool about that is you can even put a watermark in the video and below, so people don't even have to click, they don't have to go past 30 seconds. They can literally just type in your easy to remember domain name, go right to your page, and then like buy the product. So it's ridiculous how easily you can scale with YouTube. So that's one of the bonuses that I'm going to offer, Mark and I are offering to you, is training on how to do exactly that. And then how to get your video right in front of the right people, which is just, that's insane. Okay. That's like picture someone owning a restaurant, and then they can literally just put their restaurant, pick it up, and then put it right in front of their customers who are going to buy their stuff and like buy their food. Then they can pick it up again, put it right in front of another 100 people who are going to like buy some food. And then when those people are done, they pick it up again and they move the building. I mean, what? That's crazy. Like, that's what I'm talking about. So that's what you're going to get when you decide to partner with us for 30 days. You got nothing to lose. I mean, really, I have something to lose, because you're going to get in for 30 days. You can consume my training, you can learn my methods, you can take all of our stuff, and if you don't like it, you get your money back, and plus it was $1. You get your money back, and I didn't get anything, right? But I want you to succeed, okay? It's not just me about wanting to help you, right? You probably heard that a lot, like, oh, I want to help you, I want to help you. Well, you know what? I want you to help me, okay? I want you to help me too, because here's how this works. If you get in, you start promoting, you start running ads, you start building a profitable, sustainable online business, I'm gonna get that 30% residuals from you, right? For as long as you are a successful marketer. And then if you refer other people to this, like, and you don't have to, it's not that kind of a deal. You know, you can just use the tools and just be like, okay, I'm gonna build my pages, I'm gonna host my auto webinar on here, I'm gonna host my email marketing platform, all that stuff, and then move forward with that. Or you can bring people into it. Maybe you have an online course and you teach them how to do something, and then you use this software product for them to host their course or whatever it is that you're teaching them how to do. I'll get 30% residual commissions from the company on their behalf, not yours, on their end, to basically have you make money. So that's a huge incentive for me. So literally, I want you to succeed, okay? I want you to succeed because it's gonna help me grow my business, it's gonna give me more time freedom, and it's just gonna make a much more valuable business for me. You know, like, I don't wanna sit down for 20 hours and like try to prospect and try to like bring people into a business, because it's not fulfilling, and honestly, it's just overwhelming and draining. But if I can teach you how to leverage simple ads or leverage simple methods and then reproduce and scale, because once you start getting momentum in a business, it's really crazy how fast things start to pick up. Like, let's say you get up to a few $100s a month in commissions in your business, but then you can invest half of that. So in the second month, you get up to like $600 in a month. You invest half of that. The third month, it's crazy, okay? Like, it will literally quadruple. And then by the end of the year, you have a very sustainable online business. So it's only $1 to get started. Trust Mark and I, you know, test me out. If you don't like what you see in the training, if you don't like what we're teaching, then that's fine. You know, you can move on and you can find something else. But I'm going to tell you, like, one of the worst things you can do in online business is to start over. Okay, I got into that cycle. I would, like, for 30 days, I'd build out a funnel, I'd create the videos, I'd create the emails, and then at the end of the 30 days, I would literally start over, find a different product, and then build another funnel around that, and then hope that I can make money, when really I should have just built for the next 5 years that funnel. I should have scaled that business, and I should have focused on that, because then I would have had all these residuals in place. And then if you keep stacking residuals, if you keep bringing people in and they keep using the tools and they attend the webinars, they're getting the training, they're getting the value, and they're seeing how to become a successful marketer and how to become independent, then you're gonna make even more money. Okay, so that's crazy. That's really crazy. Like, when you really think about the leverage that you'll have with an online business that is focused around a product that people already want, and you're using a system in place to sell it, and then you're using the traffic, the people who are actually looking to buy that product right now. When you have those three things, that's when you can actually scale a business. But if you don't have those three things, you're literally going to be starting over, using a different program, using a different angle, trying to get into a different niche, trying a different method, whatever it is, and you're going to just be frustrated, overwhelmed, and it's not going to be very fulfilling for you. But if you give us a try, 30 days, I promise you one thing: you will become more confident, you will have something that you can actually use, and you will be able to learn to trade a skill that you can then implement into other avenues and make even more money in your life, and then even progress even further in your career. So yeah, that is what I have to say today, and I hope you decide to give us a shot. And if not, that's fine. You know, you'll see me around, you'll see me in more ads, you'll see my follow-up sequences, you'll see our case studies, you'll see the successful people inside this company who are already leveraging, not to mention all the six-figure earners, like, who are actually using the software to promote and referring others to it and using their own online courses, and they're all just using this tool to host it. Because as marketers, you need tools, and if you don't have the right tools, what's going to happen is you're going to end up overpaying. You're going to spend a few $100s a month for Aweber to host all of your leads. You're going to spend $500 a month on Webinar Jam to host your auto webinar that might not even sell, right? If you spend $500 a month on a webinar and it doesn't even sell your product, that's $500 you lost, okay? All the different things that you need are all in one platform, all in one solution right here. Get in for $1, try us out for 30 days, use my software, or their software, use my product as far as training, and test us out. See you on the inside.